Good day guys, you are welcome to this video tutorial. This video tutorial is brought to you by Kings Media and sponsored by Kings Tech Media Institute. In this video tutorial we are coming to learn how to create this amazing flyer with just our smartphone using Canva application. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Guys, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification button so that when we post a new video you don't miss them. All right, let's start. Now this is our working space that we will be making our design. So the first thing is to set the background color for this amazing flyer. So what you will do is to just tap on the background and it will be selected. Then you come to color here, see this color section, tap on it, then you select any color of your choice. But according to the flyer we are coming to create, the color, we can use this one for it. Yes, so let's select this color. When you tap on it, it will be selected. Then you tap on any free space again like this, then you are good to go. Then you tap on this times or the cancellation button to clear everything. Yeah, so now that we have set our background color, the next thing is to import our text, or the next thing is to create our text and import other resources so that the flyer will look nice and complete. Okay, so let's import our text. So you come to this section, we have the text. Where we have the text, you tap on it, then you come to add a text box. Tap on it, you'll be given a chance to write whatever you want to write. So let's say Kings Tech Media. Okay, something like this is not bad. No, on the flyer is Kings Media, right? Kings Media. Then you tap on the free space. Yes. Then you tap on the name, or you select the name you have created by yourself, or you have written. You tap on it like this for it to be highlighted. Then you use this section to reduce or increase the size. Something like this is not bad. Then you position it upwards like this. Yes, then we are good to go. You see, still, then you are good to go. Then the next thing is to give it a font. Font simply means changing the appearance or how the text look like. Okay, so when you select it like this, you select it, you scroll, come down, you see we have font. Come to the font, then this time we are going to use a font. Like if you want to view all the fonts, you click on this arrow. Yeah, so these are the fonts. So you'll be using this font called Impact. Okay, just tap on it. Yes, and you see how it is. Then you select it, and you use this side to increase it. Yeah, this is not bad. Then you leave it. Now after we have been giving it a font, the next thing is to change the color of the text. So you select it again, you close the font section. Here. Then you come to this section, you move to color. You see the A with color under, tap on it, you scroll, you select any color of your choice. So this time we are going to use white. You just tap on the white color. You see this has changed. Then you click on an empty space. Now make sure you lock all your elements so that they wouldn't be disturbing you. So when you select it like this, you come to these three dots here, you tap on it, then you select lock. This is the lock. Tap on it, then it has been locked so that it wouldn't be disturbing us as we progress. Okay, let's continue. So after we have been able to create our test, the next thing is to bring other resources. Yes, so you come to this section. You see we have gallery here. This gallery or the camera icon gives you access to your gallery so that you can import the resources I have sent to you in the group. Those who are also watching me on YouTube without being in my group, I will leave a link in the description below so that you could be able to access all the resources that I will be using for this particular flyer, so that if you want to replicate it, you can easily be able to replicate it. Okay, as we read together, then you tap on this gallery icon. You see it has given me access to all my gallery, my files. So you browse through it to see or locate where your resources are. So my resources are somewhere here. So you just take your time and go through all of them to pick up your resource. So this is the image you'll be using. Then you tap on add to page. Now it has been imported. So now that it has been imported, after selecting it, always use this side to increase or decrease the size of the image because of ratio. Yes, so let's increase it a bit, something like this. It's not bad. Yes, now according to the original flyer, you could realize that the original flyer, this image is facing the other side, while this one too is facing the other side. So what we will be doing is to just change this image. We are coming to turn the face of this woman to look opposite of this so that it will be like the original flyer we are replicating. Okay, yes, so after you have selected it like this, you scroll here, scroll, then you come to this section which have flip. Tap on the flip, then you have flip horizontal and flip vertical. When you tap on flip horizontal, the image will flip horizontally. So right now it is looking at the left position. When I use the flip horizontal, it will automatically look at the right position. Have you seen it? Yes. When I use flip vertical, it will turn upside down. Hope you have gotten it. Yes, so we will be using the flip horizontal like this as the original flyer has its own. Okay, so we just position it somewhere here, yes, then make sure you lock it up, lock. Make sure all your elements have been locked. If you don't want to be disturbed by them, you lock the background as well. Alright, so we are good to go. Now that we have been able to import this, our image, the next thing is to create shapes and other things. So we will be creating a shape. You come to this section where we have the element. Tap on the element, then you come to shapes. We will be using this square shape like this. Then you select the shape. To select a shape or to select the element, just tap on it. When you just tap on it like this, it will be selected. So we will be modifying the shape to be something like this, a rectangle. Rectangle. It's not bad. Yeah. Then you come to this section, the color section. Select white as usual. Select white. Then you tap on an empty space. Then make sure you lock it up. Lock it up. Now you could see that the shape we just created is resting on the body of the lady or the head of the lady. Yes, and we don't want it that way. You see, the original flyer, the lady was rather on the shape we have just created. So we will come to the layer panel here. Tap on the layers, and you see we have all the layers here. So what we will be doing is to drag this one upwards so that the shape will come down. Okay, so but since we have locked it, we cannot move them, so we have to go and unlock them before we can be able to move them. So when you select the lady like this, tap on this padlock, then it will be unlocked. Have you seen it has been unlocked? Now we can freely move it. Yes. Then you come to layers. You scroll and come to layers like this. Then you see where we have these dots. You just tap and hold. Tap and hold like this. Drag it upwards. Have you seen it? Yes. So when you drag it upwards and you reach where you want it to be, you just release it. You see that now the image of the woman is now up on the shape we just created. Yes. So something like this, not bad. Let me increase the size a bit. I don't want this tutorial to keep long, so you just take your time and do it. Yeah. Now we are good to go. So make sure you can now lock the image. Now the next thing is to import our beauty products. So as usual, you come to your gallery section again, and you get access to where your resources are. So beauty products. Yes, this is it. Tap on it. Add to page. Yes. These are our beauty products. Let's reduce the size a bit. Size small. Yeah. This is not bad. Position it somewhere here. It's not bad. Let's lock it for the meantime. Let's lock it. Now, you see, it is not professional to leave the products like this. It means they are hanging. So we have to create something for the product to rest on. Okay. So you and I, we are coming to create a table for this product right now using a shape. Okay. So you come to your element, select the element. Then you see we have the shapes here. Come to this circle, tap on this circle. Yes. Now let's change the color. The color to white. Come to this color. To white. Yes. Then you tap on a free space like this and you select it again. Now that you have been able to create this circle, you use this section to modify it. This section, you hold it and drag it upwards to create something like an oval, flat oval. Have you seen it? Something like this. Then you can use this section to increase the size. Yeah, this is not bad. Then you position it under the product, because it's now you can use this button. You see this button here? Yes, you can use it to adjust the position. When you hold it like this, then you drag it to wherever you want to put the shape. Okay, this is not bad. Let me bring it down small. Okay, this is not bad. Then you release your hand, then we are good to go. But you see, the shape we created is supposed to be a table for the product, but now the shape is rather resting on the product. So what we will be doing is we will just go to our layer panel, then we make this shape come under, so that the product can be able to rest on. Okay, so as usual, as we did to the image initially, you come to the layers here, come to layers. Always see, maybe it is being locked. If it is being locked, you can't move it, but you see the shape, we haven't locked it, so we can move using these dots. So you hold it, you hold the dot, then you drag it downwards for the product to move upwards. Then you release your hand. Now you could see that the shape is now serving as a table. Let me modify. Take your time and modify it well. Okay, just take your time. Yeah, something like this. Something like this is not bad. Yes, position it. Then you are good to go. Alright, so we have been able to create the table for our products. So you make sure anything that you have interlocked, you lock them up. You select it like this, then tap on these three dots. Okay, we are good to go. Now the next thing is to create our other tests and other resources. Then we are done. So we will come to test again, the T, come to add a text box, and you write beauty. Tap on the free space, then you select it. Then let's increase the size a bit and bring it upwards. Reduce it small. Yes, this is not bad. I'll leave it. Okay, so now that we have been able to write this, then the next thing is to add another text. So we come to this T again, come to add a text box, then we write pure you, pure you, pure you, sorry, pure you, pure beauty. No. It's supposed to be pure beauty, pure you. I've even forgotten the original flyer. So anything at all that you think can promote your business, you can write. So pure beauty, pure you. I think it's okay. You tap on the free space, then you select it. Let's increase the size a bit. Then you bring it to this white space. Because the color of the text is white and the shape too is white, that's why it cannot be seen. So you come to this color section, you change the color of the text to black. Okay, to black, then tap on the free space. We are good to go. You leave it. The next thing is to create another text. Come to the text again. You come to add text box. Then you write something like grab yours now. Tap on the free space. You see, yeah, you bring it somewhere like this. Let's increase the size. This is not bad. Then this time around, we are going to give it a font. So you come to the font here. You select the arrow section, tap on the arrow. Then you browse through your fonts. We will be using this font called Alex Brush. Alex Brush. Tap on it. You tap on the free space. The reason why it's appearing this way is because we have made the text in caps. So you have to edit it and write it in small letters, okay? Some font doesn't support caps. So let's edit it and write small letters. So grab yours now. This is a script font, so you just write it in small letters, something like this. Let me reduce the size a bit. Yeah. Then you come to your color as usual. You change the color to white. Yes, then we are good to go. Simple as ABC. Then the next thing is to bring our delivery and call icons. Bring your call. So you come to shapes, you select this one, you manipulate it. Then you bring it downwards, change the color to white. Then you are good to go. So after creating this shape, the next thing is to lock it. Then you import your delivery and call icons. Okay, so after locking it, you come to your gallery section here, tap on it, then you locate where you have your call and delivery icons. So I think mine is here. Where's it now? This one. Add to page. Yes. So this is the delivery icon. You reduce the size. Oh, sorry. You reduce the size. You bring it somewhere. You reduce the size. Then you hold this button to drag it. This is not bad. Tap on the freeze. Let's reduce the size a bit. Yes. tap on a free space, then you bring your text, add a text box, then you write we deliver nationwide. Tap on empty space, you select it, and you bring it here. Yeah, you are good to go. Then the next thing is to bring your contact icon. Come to your gallery section as well. Locate your contact icon. I think it's this one. Yes. Then you reduce the size as we did to the delivery icon. Yes. Then you bring it here. Then we write, come to text again, you write your contact 024 56735 in the contact at all 54219 2831. Tap on it and you bring it here. Yeah, you leave it here. Let me bring this one here. Something like this is not bad. Yeah, then we are good to go. If you haven't locked any of your elements, make sure you lock it up. Let me reduce the size a bit. Grab yours now. Yes. Let me edit it and bring exclamation mark. Yes. Alright guys, this is how we have been able to arrive at our amazing beauty product flyer. Okay, so take your time, because I didn't want this tutorial to keep long, to take much of your time. I have reduced certain things and stuff, so please you take your time and do according to the original flyer. Position your elements well, the use of colors, the sizes, everything. Make sure you position them well, and after that you save it. You use this button to save it. Go to download. Okay, download it. You wait for it as it's preparing your design to be saved. So after saving it, you submit in the assignment page for assessment. Guys, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.